Say goodbye to dust bunnies and hours spent vacuuming. Welcome the GoClean Robot, your powerful, efficient cleaning savior. It's designed to reach every nook and cranny, even under furniture, places notoriously hard to clean by hand. Set it and forget it. Thanks to intelligent mapping capabilities, it navigates your home skillfully, covering every inch without any babysitting. Despite its small size, the GoClean Robot is a lightweight wonder, transitioning effortlessly from carpet to hardwood floors, cleaning even the tightest spaces with ease. Setup is as easy as 1, 2, 3, with a user-friendly interface and straightforward instructions. Think of it as your personal cleaning assistant, working tirelessly to keep your home spotless. It's a pro at handling pet hair, making fur removal a breeze. Why multitask when the GoClean Robot can handle your cleaning needs? Sit back, relax, and enjoy your free time. With the GoClean Robot, you'll find a happy home and a happier you. No more dirty floors or hard-to-reach corners. GoClean Robot has got it all covered. Welcome to the future of cleaning.